Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Beginning with shoulder rolls, lift the shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of the neck. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Lift the shoulders up, forward, down, and around. Release, transitioning into neck rotations. Sitting tall, gently turn the head to look out over the right shoulder and left. Continue with this movement, allowing it to originate from the point between the shoulder blades, keeping the spine and neck long. Release, transitioning into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax the arms at the sides. Reach the left arm away while relaxing the right ear towards the right shoulder. Adding movement, point and flex through the left hand, bending at the wrist, feeling a stretch through the wrist, hand, shoulder, and neck. Release, returning to center, repeating to the opposite side. Reach the right arm away while relaxing the left ear towards the left shoulder. Adding movement, point and flex through the right hand, bending at the wrist. Release and return to center. Open the arms wide with the palms facing down. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, lower the arms shoulder height, flexing through the hands, pressing the palms away. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath. Pause with the arms shoulder height, pressing through the hands, fingers spread wide. Curl the fingers in, make a full fist, bending at the wrist. Unwind the hands. Continue to repeat this sequence, curling the fingers into a half fist, squeezing in, making a full fist, bending at the wrist, engaging the forearms, and slowly unwinding the hands, feeling a stretch through the wrists, hands, and forearms. Release and return to center. With an inhale, sweep the arms overhead, keeping the shoulders relaxed. Exhale to lower. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead, lifting up and out of the waist. Exhale to lower. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, noticing how the exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Adding on, inhale, arms reach overhead, looking up. Exhale, lower the arms, chin towards the chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace, noticing how the energy shifts and flows from front to back and side to side. Transitioning into Modified Sun Salutations. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from the hip creases. Inhale, lift the heart to a flat back, open the arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift the torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead, lifting up and out of the waist. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward, keeping the spine long. Inhale, lift the heart to a flat back, open the arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift the torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position.